It's Amla season and there is no better time to enjoy this winter superfood. Today we are turning it into a comforting, flavorful dish, Amla Rice. We'll start by making a paste by using fresh amlas and 4 to 5 green chilies. I'm going to grind it. Once this is nicely blended, I'm transferring this mixture into a bowl and setting it aside. Now let's prepare the tempering. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. When the oil is hot, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 10 to 15 curry leaves, and 3 to 4 dry red chillies. Saute this for a minute. Next, we are going to add the amla paste and saute until the raw aroma fades. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give it all a good mix. And season it with some salt. Mix well. Now add about half kg of cooked rice. And gently combine everything together until the flavors are well mixed. Here you can also use the leftover rice for this recipe. And now finally let's garnish this with some fresh coriander leaves. There it is, your amla rice is ready to serve. Nutritious, lunchbox friendly and wonderfully aromatic. Enjoy this with some crunchy papad and favorite pickle of your choice. Do try this recipe and let us know the best dish you have made using this superfood. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to Rajshri Food.